Welcome to Mark Baxter's Empowerment Corner. Today's message: through God, my weaknesses become strengths, and so can yours. Here's the formula, people. I recently wrote a book called How to Be One with Greatness, and I covered this very topic. In order to allow your insecurities and your weaknesses to become strengths, we first must get to know them. We got to get to know our insecurities and weaknesses. Then we have to accept them. Moving forward, we have to learn to love them. At this point, you're prepared to go out and give your gifts to be a blessing to others, except for now, they're no longer weaknesses and insecurities, they're strengths, because you understand them and you can position yourself accordingly. Thank you for visiting Mark Baxter's Empowerment Corner.